2.
Hi everybody, my name is Dato Sri Marco Robinson. I am the founder of the Wealth Revolution Group, the founder of Marco Robinson Pte Limited. Proud to say that we are the recent winners of the People's Choice iProperty Best Real Estate Investment Company in Singapore for 2014 and 15. Personally, I'm an award-winning entrepreneur, #1 best-selling author, and the list goes on. Now, the reason I'm sharing this video with you is to really share with you a bit of background of who we are, what we've achieved, and how we've helped many Singaporeans create financial freedom and of course give them fantastic returns, actually higher than any returns of any company in the world. Now, we specialize in educating people to really think about creating their own passive income streams from intelligent investing in assets that give them a great return. And we don't just mean great returns in terms of capital gain, we mean great returns in terms of positive cash flow. So if you can think of cash flow in terms of beyond 10% onwards, then you get an idea of the kind of things we're talking about. Now, some of our instruments that we've created ourselves and also sold as third parties have given returns of up to 24% a year in terms of cash flow. And also some of those assets have actually doubled and tripled in the last 5 years. So our track record is pretty much fantastic in what we've done. Now, we've been in Singapore now for nearly 7 years. Marco Robinson Pte Limited has been in existence now for 5 years. We have 1 million paid up capital in that company. But more importantly, that's not really what we're about. What we're about is helping you get to the place where you want to get better returns so you can beat the retirement trap. Otherwise, your CPF and your pension plan that you have now is nowhere near going to be enough to actually help you retire financially free. Right now, pension plans, CPF plans in Singapore are giving less than 4%, which is less than inflation. So you've got to find ways of creating new income streams by investing wisely. And to do that, we give you fantastic education platforms. So if we talk about the Wealth Revolution Group first, the Wealth Revolution Group is the oldest company that I founded nearly 8 years ago now. And that company is really specializing in educating you on different strategies and also the mindset of what you have to do to invest properly. Now, if you think of the Singapore property market as an example right now, the Singapore property market right now is very expensive and is also coming down in value because that particular property cycle has hit a peak. So what you're finding right now is that properties are coming down in price and also rental yields are very low, between 2 and 3%. Some of them not even enough to pay the mortgage that you have on the house. So one of the reasons that we got voted the winner of the People's Choice Award in Singapore is because of our award-winning research tools that we provide our students and our the people that are with us to really share with you how you can achieve the same results as what we can. Now, some of these award-winning tools are very simple and they're very easy to use in terms of finding and pinpointing assets to give you fantastic returns. So for example, one of the things that we focus on as a research group is we focus on making sure that you're buying assets at the beginning of a cycle rather than the end of a cycle. If you buy an asset now in Singapore, for example, that asset will go down in value and is not going to give you any positive cash flow. So we're focusing on educating you to really think about buying assets at the beginning of a cycle so you've got the best growth opportunity that you can have within a very short time. Now, normally a property cycle lasts over 10 years. So if you get it wrong, you can make the mistake once and it can cost you forever, because most people only buy one property in their entire lifetime. Another thing we focus on in the Wealth Revolution Group is really about how you can figure out if a property is going to increase in value, not just about the cycle, but also the job growth, the population growth, and how much is being invested into that area. So we specialize in giving that information out and educating people how to do that. We've won this award. It's fantastic for us to get that, and of course it's from the people. The people voted for us because we gave them the best service and the best returns that we could. So this is Marco Robinson from the Wealth Revolution Group. Hope to see you soon. Thank you very much.